Rabia.
So you can come and see them here. Oh, you can see there is two gibbons. There is two black ones and there is a one white one. And you can see white-headed gibbon swing hard over and through the rainforest. It's difficult for gibbons to live more than 30 feet between the trees as they travel in search of the fruits that make up most of their diet. And there is another one, come over here. There is another one, it's called a white-headed gibbon. Gibbons make amazingly loud sounds that echoes through the rainforest. This song wants the other gibbons to sing out of their territory and strengthen the family bond. Males and females have their own part in the duet, and the youngsters practice before they can sing properly. And yeah, I think they came on this side. You see them over there, right? Are you able to see them? There is three of them, black ones and a white one. White one. But the one I see here, there is a white-headed gibbon and white-headed. They are the same color. So, yeah, so you can see them and yeah, I want to show you something. Yeah, you see how it is swings? You see how it is swings, right? You got that? Yeah. And you can, I don't know if you can try to just you see them. So there is this is a bunch of mannequin over here. So there is this type of monkeys, and this is called white-headed gibbon. But this is a type of a monkey. So, and we have seen a couple of others before, and we can see this like a man-made stream or river over here. Can you see it? There is water. I think this is a water stream over here. I thought this was real. It's not. Yeah. What is it? But this is beautiful. Yeah. I call in the dead. I don't make it, they are food calling. 25 cents, I don't know why. It's like being like something, so I think you see them, right? But they mostly eat this stuff. So you see that, right? Over there. Okay, cool. Hold on, we can keep going.